For a long time, I believed that I needed better balance. Better balance between motherhood and ambition, between work and home, between giving and becoming. But balance kept me tired. What changed my life was leverage. And I think many capable women are solving the wrong problems. Balance assumes that everything in your life deserves equal weight, equal emotional investment, equal urgency. But in reality, some activities multiply your future, while others only maintain the present. Now, leverage is being able to choose what multiplies. Over the past few years, especially after rebuilding my structure as an immigrant mother without extended support, I began to think less about balance and to think more about leverage. There are 5 areas where leverage changed everything for me. And number 1 is time leverage. Time is not just hours. Time is design. Fixed routines reduce cognitive load. Batching protects deep work. Protected thinking time safeguards growth. When I lost a promotion years ago, I was managing time. When I regained stability, I was designing time. Number 2 is decision leverage. Every repeated decision consumes mental energy. For example, meal rotations, standard grocery list, simplified wardrobe, fixed weekly structure. This reduces decision making. Reducing decision is not rigidity, it is preservation. This is how high-achieving individuals get so much work done. Number 3 is relational leverage. Many women overfunction in relationships. We anticipate, absorb, and solve even before being asked. In my case, leverage required me to define roles, to avail myself of the support available to me within my network. Relational leverage looks like clear responsibilities, delegation, age-appropriate expectations, not rescuing everyone immediately, outsourcing. I am trying to say that you do not need to do it alone when you can get help. Number 4 is skill leverage. Instead of trying to do everything moderately well, I choose to deepen 1 or 2 skills that compound, such as research, structured thinking, teaching, intellectual positioning. General efforts can exhaust, but specialized skills compound results. Number 5, identity leverage. When I saw myself as being overwhelmed, I behaved defensively. But when I began to see myself as a designer of systems, I behave strategically. Your identity directs your leverage. That's a fact. It is interesting to me that I struggled more when I had visible support around me, and I gained clarity when I had none. Scarcity forced me to have structure. Now, let me add a bonus thought. You were born a mother. You did not become one. Frustrations often come from trying to divorce this identity from your corporate realities. And as long as you do this, you will struggle. Instead of balancing motherhood with other things, you should focus on leveraging motherhood for everything else in your life. Balance is maintenance, but leverage is multiplication. Now the question for you is, would you rather maintain or multiply? And while you are at it, remember that you do not need to carry everything evenly. You only need to choose what grows. In this space, we design leverage, not survival.